So now come in lecture number 2, new chapter addition and subtraction of common fraction. Okay, addition and subtraction of common fraction. So example number 1, add together. Add together 4 by 13 and 6 by 13. Come to solid solution. So see, 4 by 13 and means plus 6 by 13. So see here you will see numerator is different but denominator is same. Here you will see numerator is different and denominator is same. So whenever you find denominator same, you just do simply whatever denominator is there, same denominator. Okay, you just write 13 then 13. Then 4 is here, write 4, plus is here, write plus, 6 is here, 6. Add 4 plus 6, 10, and down sign is 30, then write 30. Okay. When denominator is same, you can do this way. But when you find denominator is different, here we compare denominator, not numerator. Okay. When denominator is same, whatever denominator, just write here, whatever numerator is here, write here, 4 plus 6, 10 by 13 and 13. This is called numerator. And this is called denominator. So whenever you find same denominator, then you can use this way. Okay. But when you find different denominator, then method will change. Or one more method is there in this sheet. Denominator, to take out the LCM of denominator. So 13 and 13 LCM will be what? 13 and 13 LCM will be 13 only. So I have written 13 here. So now come to first number. First number is what? 4 by 13. So we will check from 13 that in the table of 13, this 13 will come in which time? In the table of 13, 13 will come in which time? One time. So with that one, we multiply this numerator. So 1 into 4, when you will multiply, what you will get? 4. So that 4 I have written. So this number will be over. Now come to this number, 6 by 13. So again we see the denominator. From denominator we divide, and whatever quotient we get, from that quotient we multiply with numerator. So in the table of 13, this 13 will get 1, come in one time. That your 1 will be quotient. So that quotient we multiply with numerator. 1 into 6, 6. That's right. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 by 13. So either you can use this way, or either you can just denominator is same, then you can use this way also. One thing, whenever you find a numerator is smaller than the denominator, then we cannot change it into mixed fraction. When numerator will be greater, numerator will be more greater than the denominator, then we can change it into mixed fraction. So this number we cannot change into mixed fraction. Whenever numerator is smaller than the denominator, we cannot change into mixed fraction. But when numerator is greater than the denominator, then we can change into mixed fraction. Next question, see example number 2. Add together 4 by 15, 7 by 15 and 8 by 15. So this is our question. 4 by 15, 7 by 15 and plus 8 by 15. So I told you that whenever you find denominator same, so in this all of the denominator is same. Or one more way I told you that take out the LCM of 15, 15, 15. So these all three LCM will be 15 will be 15. Now see the first number is, I told you we divide from denominator, we check it from denominator. That's good in rough or in your mind. So in the table of 15, this 15, in the table of this 15, this 15 will come by one time. So that one you have to multiply with the numerator. So 1 into 4, 4. Now come to this number. This number is over. Now this 15, in the table of this 15, this 15 will come one time. So that one again you multiply with 7. 1 into 7, 7. Now come to this number. Again in this number, this 15 will come in the table of this 15. This 15 will come one time. So 1 into 8, 8. Now add 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 by 50. Okay. Either you can use the LCM form, or either you can just, if denominator is same, write 15, and whatever numerator is there, write and add. Why I am telling you? Because it will help you when I will tell you about the when denominator are different. So we have to use that way. That's why I am explaining you in this way. So now I told you when numerator will be greater than the denominator, then we can change into mixed fraction. Here numerator is greater, so we can change it into mixed fraction. So see how we change it. So we divide numerator by denominator. So denominator is 15. Okay, whenever we divide, we write small number here, large number here. Now divide 15 times 1, 50. 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. See, this is our quotient, this is our remainder, and this is our divisor, and this is our dividend. So how we write? So this divisor we write in denominator. Why? Because here it is also in denominator 15, so here also we will write denominator in 15. So here we write divisor. Here we write quotient. Our quotient is what? 1. So here we write quotient, and here we write remainder. Remainder is 4, so here we write remainder. So this is your mixed fraction. Okay. Downside, whatever denominator will be there, you have to write that. There you will write quotient, and upper numerator you will write remainder. Okay, so with the help of this example, you can easily solve exercise 35. Now come to example number 3, when denominator will be different. Okay. Now addition. Now we have seen the addition with same numerator. Now when denominator will be different, how you will solve? Page number 89. Example number 3. Add 5 by 8, 9 by 16, and 13 by 24. See, in all denominator numerator both are different. I told you in fraction, addition, subtraction we compare only denominator. So there here denominator is different. 5 by 8, 9 by 16 plus 13 by 24. That's why I told you whenever different are same or different, you just take out the LCM. So LCM of 8, 16 and 24 will be what? 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 12, 24. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. So LCM will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 3, 48. So LCM is 48. 48 is the LCM. Okay. So now come to this number. I told you, so denominator we check that this 48 will come in which time. So in the table of 8, 48 will come by 6 times. So that 6 multiply with the numerator 5. So 6 into 5 is what? 30. That number is over. Now come to this number. In the table of this denominator 16, 48 will come by 3 times. So that 3 multiply with the numerator 9. So 3 into 9, 27. Now come to plus. Now in this number, in the table of 24, 48 will come by 2 times. So that 2 multiply with the numerator. So 2 into 13, 26. Okay. Now add 7 plus 6, 13. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. So answer is 73 by 48. 73. 7 plus 6, 13. 3 plus 2, 5 is 7, 1, 8. 83 by 48. So whenever you find numerator is greater than the denominator, so you can change it into mixed fraction. So 48, you can check it. 48, 1, take back. So 1 whole 35 by 48. So with the help of this example, you can easily solve exercise 36. In next classes, I will go for example some for exercise 37. So for now, goodbye to all.